Right to Play is about bringing people together. It's about having fun, building friendship and teaching people about life.
Right to Play gives kids the opportunity to learn about life through sport. Nothing could be more natural than that.
I mean, you just have to look and see what's going on here. Here we are on a hot Saturday afternoon in Accra, and people are so positive, so optimistic, and it's just so exciting to see the youth of Africa enjoying themselves like this.
What excites me is just the smile on their face as the games go on and as they walk away. They've learned so much, they've enjoyed it, and they're going to go on and have a really fulfilled life.
Well, Right to Play is an organisation that believes in the power of sports and play as a tool for development of children.
This ball here represents malaria treatment, okay?
We can reach out to children and they learn without even realizing that they're learning. It teaches a child to be respectful. It teaches a child to play a leadership role.
I want to be the president of Ghana. I want to be a pilot. I want to be like David Beckham.
Everybody has dreams. They all want to achieve something, whether it's to become a great footballer, a great doctor, and this is the opportunity for them to start.
GTV supports Right to Play in all their markets. In the next 5 years, our partnership will reach 5 million children across Africa. GTV broadcasts Premier League football throughout the continent, owning the rights for 48 countries.
When I came to Africa and we started a television business, I knew what I needed to give people was sport. People in Africa love football, and so what we're doing is we're bringing the best live football to all the homes of Africa every week.
When children play, the world wins.